All right, so we're gonna take these and we're gonna warm them on both sides. So this is what they look like. You use garlic butter, or if you don't have garlic butter, you could just use regular butter. So just melt that in there, and then we'll take these and do both sides. And then, like I said, once you let them cool down, you can use them for anything: breakfast, lunch, any kind of sandwich, pizza. And these are good to keep in your van. Like I opened the one side. You see that? And still the other one is sealed. So these are good for camping, RV life, van life. And they're great with kids. So to do recipes with kids. So we're going to melt this down and then we're going to put it in there. Alright, so our butter is done. Now we're going to take these and do two at a time. If you got a big pan, you could do more. So just keep spinning these around. And when we get them to a certain thing, we'll flip them over. But like I said, you can see these. Look, all the nooks and crannies, and you can use them for so many things. If you don't want to use the pan, toaster oven, regular toaster, whatever you want. Alright, so we're done with that. You can see that they're brown. I don't want to do it too much. And this is what the back side looks like. So these things make for like a good recipe. So we're going to use this throughout a couple different recipes. See you soon. Alright YouTube, we're back for another quick crumpet recipe. And like I said, this could be used for camping, RV life, van life. You go to a park. And this is a simple thing. I got two more of those crumpets I did. I got lettuce, tomato, pepperoni, ham, and salami. So we're going to create like an Italian sub hero that's known on the East Coast. And then we're going to use red wine vinegar. A lot of people use that plus olive oil, but for my house, I'm just going to use this. But like I said, these things are really quick recipes. And like I said, with these crumpets, if you can find them at your local store, bakery, they can create so much stuff. Like you can even, like I said, make like mini pizzas and everything. But we're going to build the sub. So we got all this and let's get started. Alright YouTube, I forgot one thing. Typical sub has oregano. So excuse the light in here today. We just had a big nor'easter in the north part of United States and Canada, and the light is not that good. I'm going to be ordering a ring light soon. So we're going to put lettuce on both of these. And there's really no rhyme or reason. You could lay these on whatever you want. If you want it, you could put the red wine vinegar on the bottom, but it's all up to you. So we're going to build that. Then we're going to put the ham down. We're going to put some salami on this. And like I said, this is a typical East Coast sub for United States. So we got that. Now we're going to take the pepperoni and put on there. And like I said, it's all up to you about your choice of meat. So the thing we're going to do is we're going to splash this with some red wine vinegar. If you want, put olive oil on there. And after that, we'll just top it with oregano, and then you're done. And these are basically your Italian sub crumpets. If you want it, you could take this and flip it over top and have a big sandwich. But for now, we'll just keep it like this. Alright, so we have that built. And we're going to take our wine vinegar and splash both of these. This is personal preference. So put on whatever you want. If it drips all over, it's okay. You can use it to dunk it. But like I said, you could take these and flip them over and eat it like a sandwich. So next thing is just oregano and we're done. Like I said, these things are really quick and they're tasty. And you can create almost anything. Create like roast beef and cheese, chicken salad, grilled chicken with like pico on top. The choice is yours and unlimited. Alright, so we have that oil down there and vinegar. I added some oil while you were gone. But look at that. That makes for a good classic sub. And where I live, last step is oregano. So throw some oregano on there, and you're basically set. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking the journey. Like I said, some of these recipes are not high tech or gourmet, but I'm telling you, these taste good. But that's what it looks like. And like I said, if you wanted to, you could take this and flip it over top. I'll do that in a second. But there's your Italian crumpets. These things come in really handy. Alright YouTube, I actually flipped that over so you can see. So look at that. You have your sandwich there, and it's really tasty. So look at that. You got your sandwich nice and soft, and it's basically your Italian sub. So thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell. Sorry about the light in here. Things will get better on this channel, but we're here to learn and create new creations. The main vision of my YouTube channel is to create new dishes, and we can experiment with food. I'm not here to create food from scratch from the start. I'm here to take good quality food and organics and put them together. So there you have it, your Italian sub crumpet. And like I said, buy these where you can, and you can make so much creations. And this you really want to freeze, but like if you make pizza or the other recipes, you can. So be safe. Talk to you soon. Love you. Peace. AKA Batman in the kitchen.